So far, everything we've done in tutorials has been with lines or with rectangles. We're going to go ahead and start tackling some things with curves here. So to start out, just like normal, we're going to go to 2D Sketch. We're going to click on our XY plane for our front view, and I'm going to make a rectangle. Now this rectangle is going to be a 1x1 rectangle, and I actually want to make it a perfect cube, much like what we did before, except a fast and easy way. So I have that there, and I have a perfect cube. What I want to do is I want to drill a hole right through the center, and it's going to be a 1/2 inch hole. So I'm going to right click on there and go to New Sketch. From there, I can go through and go to the Circle tool. Now, when you go to the drop down, there's a couple other ones. We're only going to worry about the actual circle itself right now. So with the Circle tool selected, I'm going to go and I'm just going to click somewhere inside of here. Unlike other drawing tools like Line where we start at a point and kind of go from there, Circle tool, you can do that, or you can start it kind of wherever and use dimensions to get it where you want to go. So I'm going to click once, move out, and then I can set my diameter. I'm going to type in 0.5, or if I want to do it the easy way or the hard way, depending on your math, I'm going to hit in 1 divided by 2, which will give me the same thing. Now you'll notice that it's green, and that's because it's not fully defined. If I exit out of all my tools here by hitting escape, you'll notice that it says 2 dimensions are needed. And basically, anytime you draw a circle inside of Inventor, you need to have a total of 3 dimensions. You need to tell the program how big the circle is, you need to tell where it's at left to right, and you also need to tell where it's at up and down. So it needs to have location both in size, and then it needs to have a Y location and an X location. In this case, I'm going to go to Dimension, I'll click on my left-hand side, I'll click on the circle, and if it's a 1 inch cube, half of that is 0.5, so I'm going to define that one, and then I'll go to the bottom, and I'll click on my circle again, I'll move over outside the part, click, and I'm going to type in 0.5. Once I've done that, you can see that everything turns blue like it should, and I'm fully defined. You'll see that down here it says fully constrained. At that point, I can finish my sketch and extrude it. And I'm going to select my closed loop, and I'll cut it back 1 inch. It's important to know that you go through every time, and you have to make sure that there's 3 dimensions set in there. There are other ways to do that I'll cover in my next tutorial, but this is the basics for setting up circles. Please let me know if you have any questions.